So it's pretty flowy, and it is pretty close to the edge of a cliff. So we're gonna take it slow at first and see how it goes. Wow, this is way closer to the edge than I thought this trail would be. And really sandy. Wow. Damn. Look at that. That's incredible. I had no clue this trail was so close to the edge of the cliff. Oh, it is fast. Real sandy. Oh man, this trail is nice. Oh. Good thing that stick was already dead. Oh yeah. Oh, let's get there. Oh! Yep, hit another stick. There we go. How you doing, bud? Yep.
I'm alone.
Okay, man, thanks. Stay alive.
Oh,
I didn't make it either.
yeah, that was a tough one.
Get up there. Yes. Smooth. All right, finally a trail marker. So we know we're going the right way. Woo! Almost went down there. Here we go. Going through. Oh, this looks way different than the rest of it. All right, Falcon Flow is flattened out a little bit, but we're back to riding right on the edge of a cliff. So there's that. Did some serious climbing, but seeing as we're on the top, it's time to cruise back down. Perfect. There we go. Oh yeah, rock's just careening over the edge. Woo! I haven't hit many trails, but this has been the best one by far. If you come out to Moab, you gotta hit Falcon Flow. Even if it's the only one you do. Trying to get a lower gear, but I don't have any more. So we're just gonna have to push through it. Oh, real chunky. Yeah, it's steep. It's getting near all sandy instead of rocky, so we must be lower in elevation or something. That sounds sciencey. It's really dry around here too. All right, almost had a couple of washouts. That's all right. Like I was saying, as long as you can get banged up all you want, as long as you pedal your way out, it was a good ride. Oh. Oh, shade. All right, Falcon Flow, complete. That was awesome. All right, guys, just finished Falcon Flow. It was awesome. It was hands down the best trail I've done here. Now, keep in mind, I've only been here 2 days, but if you are only out here for 1 day, it definitely should be on your must-ride list. So cool, really flowy. Yeah, there's some technical bits and some climbs, but even if you walk those, it's still a ton of fun. So we're heading back into town, probably get some beer, get some food. I really want a milkshake, I don't know why, so I'm gonna try to track one down.